Jason Zwolak here of the Zwolak Group with First Team and Christie's International Real Estate. If you're new to the channel, each week I tackle different real estate topics, all in the hopes of helping you navigate the world of home buying, selling, owning, and investing. Fall is here, and for some, the weather is changing. We're getting back to our normal post-summer routines, and with that comes some annual maintenance you should be looking at taking care of. Here are 4 things to do to your home this fall. Number 1, stain your deck. This is especially important if you live in a climate that gets snow. Staining will help your deck field what winter throws at it. Plus, we should start seeing cooler temperatures and lower humidity, which make it the ideal time for this project. Number 2, check your fire extinguishers. According to the Red Cross, fires increase in the fall and winter. Keep your home fire safe by getting your extinguishers checked by a certified professional. Fire extinguishers do break down and malfunction. In fact, after 6 years, they need to be emptied and reloaded. If you haven't already, buy one for each floor and the garage. Number 3, spruce up your yard. There are many things you can do to prepare your yard for colder temperatures. Aerate your lawn, reseed or fertilize it if needed, and plant perennials and shrubs, which as a bonus are often on sale now. Your lawn will green up faster after winter, and the shrubs and perennials will have a chance to establish roots. And number 4, inspect your home's exterior. Inspect your roof and other big ticket items like siding, grating, and gutters before you've got problems. You'll cut costs by fixing them now and stay dry and warm all winter long. Being proactive and taking these steps now could end up saving you money in the long run. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out directly. If you found this video helpful, give that like button a smash, and don't forget to subscribe so you're notified every time I post. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.